So it's just begun, and there's something on the tip of your tongue. Don't stay quiet.
Hello people of the internet, and welcome to another Italy vlog. If you haven't seen my last video yet, I have basically spent a month in Florence, Italy, taking some Italian lessons, and this is me taking you along for my second week. Starting off on Monday, I decided to visit the Boboli gardens after class and had such an amazing time. One of the things that I've enjoyed most about this trip has just been the independence and getting to choose what I want to do with my day based on what I like to do. So one of those things for me is to go on walks, and I also really value alone time. Therefore, the Boboli gardens was the perfect activity for me. How good is life that my day today consisted of taking an Italian lesson and now visiting these stunning gardens. I ended up just spending close to 3 hours, honestly, just walking around, and I got lost probably around 5 times, but it is the best place to get lost in because no matter where you end up, it is definitely going to be beautiful nonetheless. Hello everyone, it is currently Tuesday afternoon. I had class in the morning as usual, but then I just came back to our apartment to kind of chill and have lunch. But now I'm gonna head out soon. I did want to give you guys a little bit of an update beforehand though. As you may know, I'm here taking Italian lessons for about a month, and so far we've been here for 9 days, so I've had 7 lessons actually, yeah. And I knew no Italian prior coming here, so I've been learning a lot. I feel like I understand about like 75% of what I hear. I can like make out the words pretty clearly because I know French and I know a little bit of Spanish. But when it comes to talking, like I am not very good. My vocabulary is definitely very limited, and we haven't seen like a bunch of verbs yet. I mean, we've seen some, but I just haven't like memorized obviously everything in 9 days. But it's been really fun to learn and practice that. Whenever we go out, I try to like order and talk in Italian as much as possible, but a lot of the times I just get like spoken back to in English, which is fine, but obviously I'm trying to practice whenever I can. So yeah, that's my update so far. I went to the Boboli gardens yesterday, which was so fun. I really enjoyed it. It was beautiful. I was there for maybe like 2.5 hours, and I think I only managed to visit about maybe half of the entire garden because it is massive, but I was also like taking my time. And yeah, I had a really fun time just like exploring the gardens yesterday, so I'm gonna do a little bit more exploring on my own today and kind of just walk around Florence, maybe go into a couple shops here and there, because I want to get some gifts for my family for when I get back. And yeah, I just wanted to update you because I feel like I've been bringing my camera along and like vlogging here and there, but I haven't actually spoken to you in a while. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready to head out and walk around, so.
Castiglioncello!
We decided to go to the beach for the afternoon because it has been so hot. We need
so hot. And we need a little tan and a read. That's what we need. We're walking uphill, so we're a little...
It's a bit of a workout right now.
Out of breath.
It's fine. Then we'll get to rest once we get to the destination.
Yeah. You need to spice up your vlogging.
What do you want me to say? Be funny right now.
I might kill someone. Ciao! Ciao! Did you see that thing I did for a video? She got like 100 something likes because I went, ciao!
What? Our afternoon in Castiglioncello ended up being one of the highlights of my trip. We had just really been needing a beach day and nothing could have prepared me for how beautiful the sea would be. It honestly felt like we were inside of a painting and we were all very sad that the day had to come to an end and that we had to head back to Florence. I've decided to split this week into 2 different vlogs, so the rest of the week will be in an upcoming video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But thank you so much for hanging out with me and tagging along. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day or night, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!